Everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here with Quick Mill Andreja Premium. This machine was brought in because it leaked at the portafilter handle, or I'm sorry, rather the E61 lever handle. The espresso wasn't getting hot enough, the pressure was low, and the pump kept running even when it shouldn't have been, when it was refilling the reservoir after you'd empty it through the hot water wand. So to rectify these issues, we did an overhaul of the E61 group head, placing everything in here, including the seals and gaskets, which fixed the leak there. We also went ahead and replaced the group head gasket and screen here while we were at it. We ran the D-scale through the machine, which solved the issue of it not getting hot enough. Scale had built up over the heating element and also over the water level sensor, which is in part contributing to the pump fault. And the pump pressure was also low. We replaced that as well, and by request of the customer, replaced the reservoir tank and hoses because the previous ones were pretty gross. Well, here it is. We'll test it. The leaks. Pressure looks good on the brew and the steam boiler. Stop there, healthy discharge. Nice strong steam pressure, so we're gonna have hot water, but we'll do it anyhow. Alright, there you have it. Andreja Premium working once again. Thanks for streaming the Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.